Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Kaushi's kitchen. So today we are gonna make fries pizza. So we're gonna require the following ingredients. So we require 2 to 3 potatoes cut into slice pieces. So we require 1 full onion, 1 tomato and 1 capsicum cut into small pieces. In sauce we are gonna require tomato sauce, red chili sauce and mayonnaise. I've taken some boiled corn, it's not compulsory. 1 spoon corn flour, salt and turmeric powder. Now let's take a bowl, fill with half cup of water in it and then add the sliced potatoes in it and then add 1 spoon of salt. Cook it till 5 minutes until the boil comes. Drain all the water from the potatoes and keep it aside until it dries up. I have used some tissues so that it absorbs the water properly. You can see the potatoes are dried up. We are going to add some spices. Bismillah. Some turmeric powder, salt according to the taste and corn flour. After putting all the spices in the potato, give it a good mix, like mix it properly and nicely. So now we are going to take a non-stick frying pan and add 1 cup of cooking oil in it. Bismillah. Heat the oil till 5 minutes and then we are going to add a potato fries in it. We are taking a non-stick frying pan so that the potato doesn't stick to the pan. Cook the potato nicely. Make sure that every slice of the potato is cooked. Cook the potatoes for 10 minutes and make sure you cook it until you see the color of the potato turns a little brown. The potatoes are cooked now, alhamdulillah. Can you see the little brownish color in the potato? Now take 4 to 5 cooking stick, like it is easily available in the market. Okay, and then take the potato fries and put into the stick one by one. So guys, please subscribe and like my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. It will look something like this. Now again take a frying pan and then brush it with some oil. Heat the pan till 2 to 3 minutes and then add the potato fries which we had made. Now take tomato sauce, red chili sauce and mayonnaise sauce and mix it together. Now we are going to put the mixed sauces on the potato and will coat it very nicely. Now we are going to add chopped onion on it and chopped capsicum. Then we're going to add chopped tomatoes on it and the boiled corns. We're going to add it on it. Boiled corns is not compulsory, it's our choice, and whatever veggies, if you all want to add some carrot or any other veggies, or if you want to add chicken as well, you can add that also. Then we'll grate some cheese on our pizza fries. Cover the pan with a lid and cook it till 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Alhamdulillah, our fries pizza is ready.